Mustafa, Mr. Norman, and all of the members of the floor. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your kind attendance here today. The purpose of today's presentation is to introduce our firm MNZ Watch Associates. First of all, I would like to introduce my group members. I am Siti Naraini binti Muhammad Noor, Encik Riza Ibrahim, Puan Faziatun Daniel, Puan Nur Akmal Syahda, and Siti Nur Saadah Abu Bakar. I would like to invite our team members, Cik Rita, to continue with the background of the firm.
Thank you, Puan Siti Aini. Okay, so the purpose of today's presentation is to introduce our firm MNZ Wajah. And today I'm going to divide this talk into three parts. The first one is background of MNZ Wajah. The second one is MNZ Wajah services, and the third one is our unique product, which is management consultation. Okay, let's move on to MNZ Watch Associates background. We incorporated on 7 November 2008 with the merging of three firms, which is Wajah Associates, MNZ Associates, Wan Ali Jaafar Associates, and MH Associates. Our mission is we are committed to provide competent and professional services by optimizing our talented human capital and resources, exceeding clients' expectations while creating values to the stakeholders. And our vision is to be the leading Malaysian accounting firm with global presence by 2030 in accordance to Puan Fazliatun.
Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon. I'm Fazliatun. We'll continue our presentation on further explanation of our unique service, that is management consulting. Okay, I go for the definition of management consulting. Basically, the management consulting is the practice of helping organizations to improve their performance, operates primarily through the analysis of existing organization problems and the development of plans for improvements. Okay, I go to the features, advantages and benefits of management consulting. The first features,